Hello YouTube, it's Sunday the 3rd of November 2019 and today I'm back on this. This time as a paying customer. Built in the coronation year 1953, Maid of the Loch is the last in a long line of paddle steamers dating back over 180 years to sail on Loch Lomond. She was withdrawn from service in 1981 and lay languishing at Balloch Pier until a restoration project was launched in 1993. Clean-up, removal of the rusted old boiler, laying of a new deck and preparation for reopening was completed in 1998. The ship was restored to static operation with the provision of car parking, rebuilding of the pier and opening of a cafe was completed in the early 2000s. And that brings us to 2019. So a wee bit of background here. I was recruited back in February this year for a job as a fitter on board the Maid of the Loch, and I spent the next 6 months helping with the restoration, and that finished in July. But now the ship's back in steam, huzzah! So we're going to have a look at the finished product today. But you can feel the ship. You can feel the ship move. Out the windows, you can see the paddles turning. So slow turning astern. That's it. That's. Go around the other side for a look. The opposite side. The lines are steaming up a wee bit. Wow, that's amazing. Honestly, can't explain how happy I am right now to see this product. Really following the Loch story for many years. Up to this point, I mean, I've visited the ship a few times as a paying customer in the past when it was still under restoration, but to see it going from pretty much a derelict ship to the end actually turning, this is an amazing experience. should stop. And it's not just the engines that have been restored, this is the Queen's Lounge, which has been restored as well with all this lovely wood panelling. This space is available to rent for special events. Also the Mica Lounge up on deck has also been refurbished as well. And after all that steam downstairs, we get to enjoy a nice steaming cup of tea in the refurbished cafe up on deck. Probably can't see it from here, but there's the paddles are turning. Let's see from this angle. That's the outside. Lovely to see the sponson there's all been painted up. So this is the steam generator. So we've got a wee boiler in a container on the shore. It's supplying steam to the ship at the moment. So the steamship company is fundraising for a marine boiler which will go in the ship. I think the website is maidoftheloch.org. I'll leave a link in the description. So for anyone watching who has money and would like to donate to the restoration fund, please go and click on that link. And now the main engine's running, we can get her sailing again.